Hi there, Mark Gossage, bestbonusking.com. Get cheap traffic with Google Ads is a very detailed step-by-step video series where you'll be getting 40 over-the-shoulder type videos that are going to give you the knowledge and the skills so you'll be able to generate high-quality targeted traffic at the lowest possible prices. I'm also including my super bonuses as well as the vendors, which you'll be able to download once you've picked up your high quality over the shoulder video training through my bonus page today, which you should check out by clicking on the link. It's right down below the video over there. Everybody knows that Google has got all of the traffic and is charging top dollar for it. It's the best traffic on the planet. Google knows exactly what each person is searching for, their wants, their needs, their dreams, and where they keep going to on the internet. It even has a picture of their house on Google Maps, unless it's just been built or they're one of the few that live underground. So using Google to generate your traffic is the ideal solution until you start paying. It's as though Google knows how much is in your wallet and in your purse, and it wants all and more until now. Now you're going to be getting the knowledge and the training to be able to grow your business by following these actionable, no fluff steps to succeed by becoming a Google advertiser that knows exactly where Google is hiding this cheap, high quality traffic and be able to tap into it easily. You'll be in a position to create so many money-making opportunities once you know how to harness the power of Google and turn it to your advantage. The front end of Get Cheap Traffic, it's at a starting price of only $47. You'll be getting the premium video training that's going to leave no one behind. These 40 over-the-shoulder videos give you everything you need to get your profitable campaigns up, running and in profit fast. One-time offer one, the lifetime package deal. That's priced at $97 monthly. This is the membership like no other. If you're serious about making money, this is for you. One-time offer two, that's priced at $147. And it's the internet business opportunity that's too good to pass on. The ability to be able to sell is a gift for some. Others have to spend a lifetime learning. This offer is giving you years of painstaking, profitable work that's all been put together in a done-for-you way so that you can download it and start benefiting from it in seconds. You're going to be getting a decade of work complete with the tools. Simply download it and start profiting from it. One-time offer three, it's the put everything on autopilot package priced at $97 monthly. This is the way to live the true internet lifestyle. This AI technology is going to make it easy by giving you everything you need to automate your website using chatbots and convert it into a money-making powerhouse. And this is what makes the difference between having to be at your computer 24 hours per day or getting total freedom from your online business. I'm also including my super bonuses as well as the vendors, which you'll be able to download once you've picked up your high quality over the shoulder video training through my bonus page today, which you should check out by clicking on the link. It's right down below the video, right down over there. Make sure you check everything out, take action, and I'll see you soon.